Hello, welcome to Cooking with the Cajun. Today, we're going to make us a healthy strawberry blueberry smoothie. So stay tuned. We're going to have some exciting slow motion footage from our new GoPro Hero 10 Black. And it's exciting. Can't wait to see it and share it with you. So let me go get Bella, bring her in here to help me, and we'll get right to it. Treat, thank you for your help, Bella. We appreciate the Bella's help. You did a good job, Bella. Oh, thank you, Bella. That's the ice. Some almond milk. Some blueberries. Strawberries. Oh, got stuck. Some agave for sweetener. Some flaxseed. Some more almond milk. A little bit of ground mustard. And a little bit of honey. Now we can have us a healthy lunch. Thanks for joining us today on Cooking with the Cajun. We're going to go drink our smoothie full of strawberries, blueberries, some flaxseed meal, some agave, the sweetener, some almond milk, some crushed ice. We're getting ready to go take Bella for a walk on this nice cool day, but first we need to drink our smoothie we just made. Boy, it's good too. Oh, Well, we love our new GoPro Hero 10. Put it on 5K at 240 frames per second to do some slow-mo shooting of making our smoothie today. We hope y'all enjoy this video. We're going to go edit it and post it so y'all can see it ASAP. Right, Bella? Bella, you want to say hello? Y'all have a great day. Please like our video, leave us a comment, and hit that subscribe button, and the little bell to the right allows you to follow us every time we make a post and in the future when we go live. From Bella in the Cajun, have a great day. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure after you make your smoothie you clean your equipment. Today we used an Instapot Ace Nova blender to make our smoothie, and right now I'm going to show you how we clean it. We put a little bit of detergent in there. We've got some Dawn detergent, and we put about, I don't know, 24 ounces of water maybe, and let me show you what happens when we turn it on. There it is, nice and clean.